I'm going to show you how to fix the Pes Login problem. Basically, that is efootball 2022 application. If you're facing a problem logging in to that application, just make sure you watch this video until the end. So go to your phone settings and follow this video until the end. Hit your phone settings and then select applications. Tap on apps, then you're going to select manage. You're going to select manage apps. So these are available apps within your phone. These are going to be the available apps within your phone. So you can see that's the list. So in that search area, you're going to search for the put efootball 2022 application. Put efootball 2022 application. After locating it within your phone, after putting it in your phone storage, scroll down and see this area where you see clear data. So tap on clear data. You see that down below. Tap on clear data. You select clear cache. When you clear cache, then tap OK. And then after selecting clearing cache, you can try to make sure that you allowing auto start of the application. Do that, allow that, and then you press OK. Just toggle that on and then press OK. You can see they're showing that it consumes some good RAM. So, and also if this does not work for you, try to update the application from Google Play Store. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.